alleged liquidation expenses of the Office of the Vice President. Without, of course, without prejudice to the right to our opportunity to present them at the appropriate time, separately to the appropriate witnesses in the future, Your Honor.
Duly noted.
Madam Witness, if you are shown a acknowledgement receipts, would you be able to identify them?
Yes po.
We will not show them now, but did you prepare, if at all, tabulation or summary of these acknowledgement receipts for the third quarter?
Yes po, meron po akong tabulation.
Would you please show them to us? We have copies, Your Honor, of these tabulations or summaries. And for the record, we're giving the Honorable Presiding Officer and counsel for the respondent copy of the summaries. Madam Witness, these summaries that you prepared, tell us the process involved. Anong ginawa mo? Paano ka nakarating sa mga tabulation o summary na yan?
Nung ma-receive ko po yung documents na sinubmit kasama po ng response, in-encode ko po yung mga acknowledgement receipts na naglalaman po ng disbursement nila by date, activity, and the amount po.
And we have selected a few of these acknowledgement receipts. If shown to you, please identify the same. P-1 being flashed on the screen. Pakibasa nga ng mga pangalan dito.
Acknowledgement receipt. This is to acknowledge receipt of the amount of 130,000 pesos for the purchase of information received by name Beverly Claire Pampano, date September 9, 2023.
This is P-1-8-2051 in the name of Pampano. P-1-8-2107. Keso naman ito. Keso. Please read.
Acknowledgement.
Cheese. In English, cheese. Matthew N. Keso. 7-15-23. Magkano to, Madam Witness?
250,000 po at na-receive ni Matthew N. Quezon noong July 15, 2023.
Ginamit for payment of supplies.
Opo.
Susunod, Nova Santos. 50,000 pesos. P-1-8-2147. Payment for the purchase of supplies. At another one, P-1-8-2195 sa isang sala Kasim, 8/11/2023 for 180,000 pesos. Itong payment of supplies na pinakita natin, ito ba ay allowable expense ng confidential funds?
Yes po, under 4.8.4 of the joint circular po.
Purchase of supplies? Is this compliant with the joint circular?
Yun po, yung sa purchase of supplies, based on the acknowledgement receipt po na ito, hindi ko ma-ascertain na talagang pinambili siya ng supplies, kaya humingi po ako ng additional documentation.
So, sa nilagay sa acknowledgement receipt, purchase of supplies, hindi naman in-explain saan binili yung supply.
Wala po, ito lang pong acknowledgement receipt ang sinabi
Saan
sa akin.
ginamit yung supply? Wala din.
Nakalagay lang po dito na for confidential operations.
Okay. Lahat ng sinabi, no? At yung mga sinasabi ditong payment of supplies pa, kagaya nitong, okay. P-1-8-1933, Renan Piatos, purchase of information naman to. P-1-8-2258, kay Xiaomi. Xiaomi? Xiaomi. 8. 100,000 pesos, purchase of supplies. Another one, P-1-18-2092, flash on the screen, sa isang J. Kamote. 200,000, payment of purchase of supplies. 8/11/2023. At itong mangga, gumawa ata ng fruit salad dito. May kamote, may mangga, may keso. P-1-8-2262, Miggy Mango. For 50,000 pesos. Ano ang masasabi mo dito, Madam Witness?
Yung mga acknowledgement receipts po na purchase of supplies and purchase of supplies, hiningan ko po ng additional documentation to ascertain po na ipinambili po talaga ito ng supplies.
We will finish this. Kokoy Villamin, P-1-18-2064, 50,000 pesos. Bumili daw siya ng information. Last four in this list, P-1-8-2635 for Contis. Connor Adrian, 9/20/2023 for 50,000. Reward payment, P-18-2178, Hanilet Camille C. 8/3/2023, 350,000 pesos. P-1-18, 2665, Christine Applegate Estrada, 50,000 pesos for reward payment. And last but not the least, P-1-18, 2010, isang Denise Tanya Escudero. August 25, 2023. Bumili ng information itong Escudero for 120,000 pesos. Madam Witness, may Queso, may Escudero, may Hanilet, may Estrada. Anong observation mo dito sa mga selected ARs na pinakita sa'yo?
Yung sa mga payment of rewards po, hindi po siya supported ng documents evidencing success. And yun sa purchase of supplies po, hiningan ko po ng additional documentation to ascertain na binayad po talaga ito para sa supplies na ginamit sa confidential operations.
Your Honor, please, we just have 3 certifications for the Office of the Vice President, and then we will go to the DepEd, but it's now 12 o'clock, and all with the names Apple, Queso, Manga, and etc. I think it is time for us to have lunch, Your Honor. With the permission of this honorable court.
Of course, Counsel.
Request for
If you
continuance,
think
Your
it is
Honor.
a good time to pause so that your direct examination may not be cut at an inappropriate time, Chair will accede to that.
May we ask that the witness be temporarily excused, Your Honor?
The witness is excused for lunch. Kain ka muna, Ma'am Silene.
Thank you po,
We resume at 12:30. Chair declares a lunch recess.